Finally, I have uploaded this. Guys, it has taken me over 2 days to figure out how to upload this. I've tried so many editing programs that my brain is literally dead. You know how programs always have hidden fees? Yet the one I was using hit me up with a $50 one. Then I was like, why don't I outsmart the program? All I need to do is download a screen recorder and just record the video I made. It sounds simple, but it's not. Hidden fees and that too. After a while, I gave up. The next day I found an actual good recording software, Bandicam, but it had a logo. So what I had to do is I had to publish it privately on YouTube, send it to my iPad, then crop out the Bandicam video logo. Actually looks like this, with the stupid Bandicam logo at the top. Anyway, I just cropped it out. The only problem is the resolution is really bad. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be doing a montage of me building this building. Yeah, so this building is basically a building I watched a YouTuber tell me how to build. So I watched a tutorial on how to build this and click the icon card that will pop up right now to see the video. Anyway, I learned how to build this building on that video. Go watch it. It will tell you how to build this. Anyway, yeah, that's it. So let's start the montage. It's basically a time lapse of me building this building right now. It's a pretty good looking building. It's pretty. You have your upstairs here and your downstairs here. It's a stylish looking building, very quick to make. It took me about 20 minutes to make this. Wasn't bad. And it took me less than 20 minutes. It took me at least 15. And that was my first go. So yeah, it's really stylish looking building on both sides. Anyway, before I start, make sure you like and subscribe to get more of these videos. Yes, more of these. Anyway, let's go.
rest. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Wow, you made it to the end of the video. Good job. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button. Also, consider subscribing too. Anyway, that's it for this episode. I'll see you guys all later. Bye!